How to fix Pinterest app not working on Samsung phone. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Pinterest app from here. You will see Pinterest app is here. Click on Pinterest app. If you want to fix Pinterest app problem, so click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so reinstall your Pinterest app. After reinstall Pinterest app, your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Pinterest app not working on Samsung phone. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.